What is going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to set up emissive materials on objects in Blender in EEVEE renderer. So as you can see, we've got a red cube and we've got a white cube. This could be very useful if you want to do some staging and you want some light to like hit the scene like this. And many other reasons, like down the corridor, stuff like that. Now, let me just quickly show you how to set that up. So first, let's get a plane. Let's give our material cube a emissive material. So emission here, so material here, emission, like a 5. Make it, we'll keep it white, Come up to top and go into the rendered viewport shading. And as you can see, we are not emitting light right now. The light coming from the scene is coming simply from the point light. So all you got to do is come up to the render properties, go down to ray tracing, turn it on, and you're done. And now I can have cubes emitting light, or any shape that you want to do. Now you can come down here and change all your settings to make it more accurate to what you will need for your scene. But yeah, that is the basic setup of having your objects emit light in Blender in EEVEE rendering. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I catch you next time.